Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make fenugreek infused rose water for hair growth. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So for this video, you're just going to need two ingredients, which is rose water and fenugreek seeds. I'm going to be using Heritage Store's rose water and glycerin. I got this from Marshall's for $6.99. And I'm going to be using fenugreek seeds, which I got from a local Indian store. And I forgot how much that cost, but I don't think it was more than $5. And I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description box for both of these ingredients. With the rose water and glycerin, you don't have to use the rose water that comes with the glycerin. You could just use rose water if you want to, or you can also just use plain old water, or you can use aloe vera juice. I have videos like that on my channel. I'll go ahead and leave those also linked in the description box as well. So I'm just going to put 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds into a mason jar. You could use more or you can use less. So once I'm done putting the fenugreek seeds into the mason jar, I'm just going to go ahead and take the rose water, which is 8 fluid ounces, which is about 1 cup, and I'm going to take that and I'm just going to pour all of that into the mason jar. So I'm just going to let it sit for 24 hours before I apply it to my hair. So I let it sit for 24 hours, and you can let it sit for an additional day or 2 if you would like. I wouldn't go past 3 days, but 24 hours seems to work fine for me. And I'm just gonna pour the rose water back into the spray bottle. You could definitely use your own spray bottle, but I was just being lazy and I just poured it back into the same spray bottle. So in the next clip, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply this spray to my natural hair. I am going to be using it as a leave-in, so I won't be washing it out. I use it as part of my moisturizing routine. So some of you may or may not know, right now I am currently on a protective style journey, and I've been wearing a wig for the past 3 months now, protecting my natural hair underneath. And I'm just going to show you guys what my hair is looking like real quick, and I'm going to show you guys just like my quick moisturizing routine. So I'm just going to spray the leave-in, and then I'm going to seal in that moisture with a hair butter. So now the hair butter that I'm using, I recently just did a video. I'll leave it linked in the description box, but this is a fenugreek infused hair butter. And if you guys are interested in that video, once again, I'll leave it linked in the description box for you guys. So I'm just going to spray the leave-in all over my hair from roots to end. I'm going to also spray it like in between my braids, make sure it gets to my roots and to my scalp. And and I just like to make sure my hair like is damp. I don't want it to be soaking wet. just so that way it could dry, you know, a lot faster and I'm not just walking around with soaking wet hair. But this spray does smell really good. So if you are on a protective hairstyle journey and you're kind of worried about your hair maybe stinking, like, I would definitely suggest trying this Rosewater out. You know, it smells really good. So after I'm done spraying my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and seal in that moisture with this fenugreek infused hair butter. You don't have to use this. You can use your favorite hair oil, or you can use your favorite hair cream, or whatever you prefer to use. So that is the end of my video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.